There is a fifth dimension, beyond that which is known to man. It is a dimension as vast as space and as timeless as infinity. It is the middle ground between light and shadow, between science and superstition, and it lies between the pit of man's fears and the summit of his knowledge. This is the dimension of imagination. It is an area which we call the Twilight Zone.
Wait, we need to get in there. Just don't get too close to one. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Savvy! Burn him!
Burn him! In 1605, Guy Fawkes led a group of extremists to try and overthrow the House of Parliament and King James I. Needless to say, they were unsuccessful, as they were caught, they were tortured, and they were killed. On this night, we remember their efforts, but the House of Parliament does prevail. Now say it with me. Remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and blood. I see no reason why the gunpowder treason shall ever be forgot. Now we want to burn him. Say it with me. Burn him! Burn him!
Oh,